my big aha moment in this industry is when I really realized that this could be like a life-changing kind of six-figure income opportunity. And I attended like a leadership event from my company, and in that group they did the 10 goal exercise by Brian Tracy, where you list like your 10 goals and then you pick the one. And then, at the end, she says, if you knew you could not fail, what would your business look like? Like all fears aside, all fears of failures aside, if you knew you could not fail, what would your business look like? And then she ended it. I train my team on that all the time. If not now, then when, right? Why not you and why not now? And it was like I was sitting there and it was like, all the things were happening. And I was like, I get it. Like I can build this as big as I want it to be. And that's when I went home and I took off and opened big doors, moved up in ranks like crazy. And I just needed to see it. I needed to feel it. And I needed to realize that this can be so much more than just, a little bit of action.